Hi, so we'll be making a clay candy machine. We'll be using Crayola Model Magic, and you can put your design on first and color it with acrylic, but today we'll be taking off the clay and coloring it with Crayola or Sharpie marker. You can just take off the clay and then it'll just come off. Make sure to remember your design too. You'll just get your marker and color on the clay and gently mix it in until you get the color that you want. You can do multiple times and make sure to keep on mixing until there's no white, and then you get the color that you want. Then you'll put your design on with the color on. Keep on doing it with different parts of your design and color it in. In this example, I did a pig, and I didn't want to color it in with acrylic because I personally think that's harder to do. So I recommend coloring it with marker. You can also use different types of markers and colors. Make sure to be very careful with the clay because it can also come off very easily, so you have to be gentle and patient. Forming your clay can be hard, so you can also redo them if you want. You just squish it back into the shape you want. You can also use the toothpick and shape it detailed so it can be easier for your hands. You also want to fold down all sides of the place so that it will stick well. The tail was not sticking on well, so I put like a little scarf around the pig's neck so that it could stay on better. Next, we'll be making a jacket that will be purple. You can also stick the jacket clay onto your scarf clay so that it has something to stick onto and will stay on better. You can also get your toothpick and poke holes into your buttons if you make them, and make holes in stitches around the jacket. That's the finished product. And thanks for watching.